Do you smell that? I am so hungry. Today, we are going inside a real Thai restaurant, and I am going to order food in English. Are you ready? Let's go. Before we go in, let's learn 8 new words. 1. Restaurant, a place where you buy and eat food. 2. Menu, a list of food and drinks you can order. 3. Waitress, a person who takes your order and brings your food. Our waitress today is named Pim. 4. Order to ask for food or drink. I would like to order. 5. Delicious, tasting very, very good. This is delicious. 6. Spicy, hot taste in your mouth like chili. Thai food can be spicy. 7. Bill, the paper that shows how much money to pay. 8. Tip, a little extra money to say thank you for good service. Now, let's go inside.
Hello, welcome, sit here please.
Wow, so many dishes. I don't know what to choose. Excuse me, what do you recommend?
Pad Thai is very popular. And our green curry is delicious, but it is a little spicy.
I love spicy food. I would like to order the green curry, please.
Good choice.
Oh, it's a little spicy. But this is delicious. That was amazing. Can I have the bill, please?
Of course, here you are.
And here is a little extra. A tip. Thank you very much.
Thank you, please come again.
Now, let's practice. I will say a sentence with a missing word. You say the word. Ready? Number 1. I would like to, please. Order. Number 2. Can I have the please? Menu. Number 3. This is delicious. Number 4. It's a little spicy. Number 5. Can I have the please? Bill, great job. You are ready to order food in English. Quiz time. 3 questions. Let's see what you remember. Question 1. What do you look at to choose your food? A. The bill. B. The menu. C. The tip. The answer is B. The menu. Question 2. How do you ask for food politely? A. I would like to order, please. B. Give me food. C. Food now. The answer is A. I would like to order, please. Question 3. What word means hot taste in your mouth? A. Delicious. B. Bill. C. Spicy. The answer is C. Spicy. How many did you get right? Tell me in the comments. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Restaurant, menu, waitress, order, delicious, spicy, bill, tip. And our phrases, I would like to order, please. What do you recommend? Can I have the bill, please? And guess what? Next time, we are going to a floating market, boats full of fruit, coconut ice cream, and we will practice buying food from a boat. I cannot wait. Thanks for watching. Next time you eat, try ordering in English, even at home. Say, I would like, please, to your family. They will be so surprised. Episode 18, Emma at the Floating Market, coming soon.